todo del cielo, ella en una vela y no está de camino.
How many pins are there in 10-pin bowling?
3.
3 computers. Smile. Agus right down the middle. How many pins are there in 10-pin bowling?
Approximately 7 to 9.
Yummy.
See every time after
So Dennis, how did that feel?
Oh my God, I felt terrible.
That was a good spare there.
No, I missed it.
Oh, did you miss it? Oh.
One standing.
Oh, I wasn't watching. Maybe that's why I haven't got any
Well,
myself.
that's why I have to go get another drink.
Right. So Sherry, so how many strikes did you get?
9.
How many? Really?
Yeah.
None? Okay. So how many spares?
Maybe like 2.
Really? As many as that?
Yeah. Ask me how many gutter balls I got.
Yeah.
I had a very good time.
We'll be here again. All right. Go YPN. You ready for your post-match interview?
Well, it went pretty well.
Yeah.
I shot about a 63.
Yeah.
I've had better days.
Yeah, yeah. How many pins are there in 10-pin bowling?
I would say approximately 10.